everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro True SS car. Beautiful car, guys. 37 miles on a complete frame-up restoration. Beautifully done. I love the color combination. This is a dark charcoal gray. Of course, it's got the white striping. It's got the black deluxe interior. Great looking car, guys. Matching numbers, 350, 300 horse engine. Matching numbers for a Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Car's lowered down a little bit all the way around. It's got a beautiful set of 18 and 20 inch Billet Specialties Pro Touring Series wheels. Stunning car. New bumpers, front and rear spoilers. A little cloudy right now, but hopefully you can see that charcoal gray. Really pretty color combo. Couple little dings in the trim. Pretty paint on the car. There's a little scratch there. That's just a little dust, guys. Sorry. Car's just laser straight down the sides. Wheels, you can see they got the gray centers to match the car. Front disc brakes. This car just has a great look to it, man. Again, this is the matching numbers, 350 cubic inch, 300 horse engine. It's got the matching numbers, Muncie 4-speed trans, 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Matter of fact, this is the original air cleaner. He didn't even want to put a repop on it. Finned aluminum valve covers, power steering, power front disc brakes. Detailed up really nice underneath the hood, guys. Aluminum radiator. And this car is just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top, guys. New door handles. See the window fuzzies have been replaced. It's got the black deluxe interior in it. New carpet, new sill plates. Sorry, just a little dust there. Bucket seats, console. It's got the sport wheel, Hurst shifter. Now it's got 38 miles on it now. Factory dash, AM/FM radio. It's got new Flowmaster dual exhaust, 12 bolt, 336 I think you said, limited slip rear end. It's a factory multi-leaf rear suspension, but he's actually put the Hotchkis rear springs in it. So it rides, even though it's lowered, it rides down the road really good, guys. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Gorgeous underneath, guys. All detailed up, all satin black. Beautiful car, guys. I can see some wear on the center console. Definitely original console. That sounds good. Fuel gauge does work. Parking brake works, guys.
I can hear it.
Yeah, I can hear it back there. Yeah, it's playing. It's just not real loud.
Yeah.
Blower motor works. Dash lights work. I can see that. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a pretty car, guys. Man, that car looks good. Have a great day, guys.